We're wondering if you can think of some words with og. So let's try. Ready? Let's start with the letter A. Let's start with the letter B.
Egg.
Og. What about the letter C?
Og.
K.
Cog.
Cog. What about the letter D?
Dog.
Og. What about?
L. Log.
Keep going. E. F. Fog.
E.
E. No. Any other words with og? Anyone?
Bog. Sog.
Sog. Bog. How about
Frog. Hog.
frog?
Zog.
Good.
Fog.
All right. So we're going to sing a song called A Jog in the Bog. And first we're just going to do the words. Here we go. So it says, read it with me. Oh, a dog and a hog went for a jog beside a big wet bog. Running round and round in circles, they got lost in a thick fog. Ribbit, ribbit, a frog croaked through the fog. If you follow me, I'll show you how to get home from this bog. Okay, so let's circle some og words that we found. We're gonna practice. We're gonna start with that. Andrina's gonna start with it first. Oh, a dog and a hog went for a jog. Can you circle 3 words?
3?
Yeah. Dog, hog, jog. Eliana gets the next 3 words. Ready? Beside a big wet bog, running round and round in circles, they got lost in a thick fog. That's 2. Ribbit, 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 a frog croaked through the fog. All right, pass the pen. If you follow me, okay, it's okay. If you follow me, I'll show you how to get home from this bog. Sometimes we have more than others. All right, put your cap on your marker, Andrina. You can hold on to it now. All right, next we're going to sing our song with the Og family. Here we go. Let's listen to it and we can sing along and we'll try it over and over again, okay? Here we go.
Oh, a dog and a hog went for a jog beside a big wet bog. Running round and round in circles, they got lost in a thick fog. Ribbit, ribbit, a frog croaked through the fog. If you follow me, I'll show you how to get home from this bog. Oh, a dog and a hog went for a jog beside a big wet bog. Running round and round in circles, they got lost in a thick fog. Ribbit, ribbit, a frog croaked through the fog. If you follow me, I'll show you how to get home from this fog.
Good job. All right, next we have our making words. So be ready with us in just a minute. Okay, here we go, friends. We're going to be making some words with the word family og. Please get out these letters. H, D, S, J, F, R, B, L, C, and of course your og, your O, and your G. So go ahead and pause that and get those letters out. If you don't have letters, you can just write those letters at the top of your piece of paper or whiteboard so you know which ones to work with. Let's get started. Our first word we're going to make is hog. A hog is like another name for a pig. Hog. Here we go. Let's say it. Og. Say it with me. Hog. Let's change the first letter to make dog. That's right. Bring that D down. Here we go. Let's say it. D. Og. Dog. Keep the word dog there. We're going to add 1 letter to make the word dogs. So that's plural, meaning more than 1 dog. The dogs went to the dog park. Here we go. D-og-s. Put it together. Dogs. The next word is jog. Jog. Break down that J. Let's say it. Ready? J-og. Jog. And of course, you could make jogs if you want to. Put that S there and you have jogs. All right, the next word is change the first letter in jog to make fog. The fog made it hard to see on the road. Fog. Let's say it. Fog. Fog. Okay, add one letter to fog to make frog. The frog jumped into the pond. Frog. You've got it. Bring that R down. Let's hear it. Frog. Frog. Okay, let's start all over with og. And now make bog. Bog. Here we go. Let's say it. B-og. Bog. Add one letter to bog to make blog. It's a kind of a writing, isn't it, that you might find online. Here we go. Let's say it. Bull-og. Blog. Take away one letter in blog to make log. You've got it. Take that B away. Now we have it. L-og. Log. Add one letter to log to make clog. A clog is like a kind of a shoe. Okay? Add one letter to make clog. You've got it. Bring that C down. Let's say it. Clog. Clog. All right, we are going to write our words down. Now, I like to take my letters off so I have enough space on my whiteboard, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Okay. Our first word that we're going to write is the first word we made, hog. 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 Now, if you're writing this and you have lined paper, remember that G goes way down underground with the worm, right? That's your worm line, so bring it all the way down. Let's make the word dog. D-og. Check that G. Does it go underground? Does it go on the worm line underneath there? There it is. Okay, to make dogs, let's make an S here to make dogs. The next word is jog. J-og. Look at that. We've got two letters that go underneath the line. Look at that. Now we have the word fog. F-og. Fog. If you can spell fog, I bet you can spell frog. Add one letter. Frog. Frog. The next word is bog. B-og. Here in Wisconsin, we have what are called cranberry bogs. That's where the cranberries grow. Next word after bog is blog. Bull-og. Blog. The next word is log. L-og. Log. And our last word is clog. 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 Let's read those words now. Point with me and read with me. Here we go. Hog. Dog. And then we said dogs. Jog. Fog. Frog. Fog. Blog. Log. Clog. Way to go, making words say with og.